Hello students, Navankor Vidyapeeth welcomes you in Digi Lessons. Today we shall read about Snapshots Supplementary Reader in English for Class 11 Core Course. National Council of Educational Research and Training. First chapter of this textbook is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse by William Saroyan. Main points of the chapter is about two Armenian boys. The narrator are Aram, cousin Morad, 13-year-old, try famous for honesty, have an intense longing to ride, can't afford a horse, member of Garoglanian tribe. Arrival of Morad. Incident when narrator was 9 years old, asleep in room at 4 in the morning. He hears a tap on the window. Morad was outside on a beautiful white horse. The narrator's surprise couldn't believe what he saw. Knew that Morad couldn't buy horse. Extremely poor. Poverty stricken. Get 2 square meals. Tribe famous for honesty. So couldn't have stolen it. Asked Morad about the horse. Was convinced that he had stolen. Uncle Khosrow. Furious, impatient, irritable, roar for everyone to stop talking. Says it is no harm, pay no attention to it. One day his son came, told that house is on fire. Khosrow said, enough, it is no harm. Difference between stealing horse and money, childlike innocence and simplicity, believed that stealing horse is not same as stealing money, not stealing. If you are crazy for horses, believed it is stealing. Only if you steal the horse. The ride. Aram invited to ride, enjoyed their ride in the country. There was vineyards, orchards, irrigation ditches, country roads. Morad sang rather odd. Morad wanted to ride alone. Morad riding alone kicked his heels into the horse, shouted, Vizaya run, horse ran speedily, ran across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch, returned 5 minutes later, all drenched. Narrator's right horse did not move, kicked into the muscles of the horse, ran down the road to a vineyard, began to leap over vines. Narrator fell off horse, kept running, then disappeared. Problem of hiding the horse. Everyone was awake, risk of being found out. Wondered where they could hide the horse. He hid it in the barn of deserted vineyard of farmer Fat Vazian. Arrival of John Byro, a family friend and Assyrian farmer. His white horse was missing, had to face problems, couldn't use Sure. Inconvenience in traveling, Morad had stolen his horse. New aspect of Morad's personality. Narrator ran to Morad's house, Morad repairing the hurt wings of bird. Decided to keep the horse for 6 months. Meeting with John Byro. Enjoyed early morning rides for weeks. While hiding the horse, ran into John Byro. He recognized his horse, became suspicious, couldn't believe that the boys had stolen. Try famous for honesty, said it's the twin of the horse. Horse returned to John Byro. Time has come to return the horse. Next morning, took the horse to John Byro's vineyard. Morad put his arms round the horse, petted the horse. John Byro's visit showed the horse to narrator's mother. Happy admitted that Horse was stronger than ever, better tempered also. Question answers. First, to which tribe did Morad and Aram belong? Which traits of the tribe are highlighted in the story? Second, what was narrator's immediate reaction when he saw his cousin Morad sitting on a beautiful white horse? Third, what were the narrator's views about stealing? Fourth, give a short description of Uncle Khusro. 5. Describe the narrator's experience of riding the horse alone. 6. Who was John Byro? What problem was he facing these days? 7. What made the boys think the time had come to return the horse to its true owner? Thank you, students.